it, then work on you. Get up and make it work.
Yo, if I could do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. It's now or never, I'm picking it first. You can't tell me that I won't make it. Knew that I had this good since birth. Grinding, came out the mud
But, like odd things happen. It is the time
So how you been, nigga?
for the street tour.
Hey, see, I've been doing well, not great, but good. Can't complain, I got more than I should. Been a while since I thugged in the hood. I just hope that my folks understand I done hit every state, I'm just trying to get to it. Anyway, cause they like my music. I just did a show called By the Rule, had like 80-something thousand that's a lot. When I be away from my class, I love them the most. I would hate for them ever to say that they daddy wasn't right on their side. But for real, my little nigga be fly. He been dressing himself while he tried. My daughter so pretty, look just like her daddy and shit. I be telling her niggas gon' die. My people been straight, trying to put foot on all of they place shit. I been going hard. I guess now they seeing this shit, cause before they thought I should switch lanes. Or should I start buying nice and keeping on lights? Now they see that this shit is way bigger than likes. No more just
Shit, I know that. That's right. Okay, what about your team?
this shit bigger than life.
Looking at my bitch, I bet she give your ass a bone. Looking at my wrist, it'll turn your ass to stone. Stretch limousine, sipping rosé all alone. Double-headed monster with a mind of his own. Cherry red chariot, excess is just my character. All black tux, nigga shoes lavender. I never needed acceptance from all you outsiders. Had ciphers with Yeezy before his mouth wired. Before his jaw shattered, climbing up the Lord's ladder. We still speeding, running signs like they don't matter. Hater talking never made me mad. Never that, not when I'm in my favorite paper tag. Therefore, G4's at the Clearport. When it come to tools, fool, I'm a pep boy. When it came to dope, I was quick to export, never time.